Let us continue with our Sources of Finance, chapter number 8. Today we are going to discuss about preference shares. We have observed that ownership capital company has to collect. The first ownership capital, that is equity share, we have understood. Now let us see what the preference share means. This is another important type of ownership capital. Preference share. Here the meaning says the shares having first right. First right means they have the preference. Regarding two aspects, they have the preference. Number one, they have the preference in getting dividend. Whatever profit earned by the company, out of that at a fixed rate of dividend to be distributed to the preference share. This dividend may be 8%, it may be 12%, it may be 15%. It depends on what profit earned by the company. Now at a particular rate the preference shares are issued. Suppose 8% preference share. It means that throughout the lifetime of that preference share, the shareholder will be getting 8%. Like that, it may be issued at 12% or it may be issued at 15%. According to the profit earning capacity of the firm, company, the dividend to be decided, and accordingly investor invest in those preference shares. The second is repayment of capital at the time of liquidation. When company going to be wind up, at that time the capital to be returned, the preference shareholder will get their capital back first as compared to equity share. So here the preference shareholder, they have to get their capital back from the company at a priority, at a first preference. The next is the characteristics of preference share. How you can identify the shares as a preference share. The very first is dividend. Preference shareholders are also getting dividend. They are also getting the share in profit, but the matter is it is at a fixed rate of dividend. So here the fixed rate of dividend given to the preference share. Compulsorily company has to give that dividend which is decided, which is mentioned in the preference share. The next here, the right to vote. The preference shareholder have a right to vote, but only in the matters which concern to them. They are not allowed to interfere in the general decisions of the company, the managerial decisions of the company, or to elect the managing directors of the company. They don't have a voting right for that purpose. They have voting right only for the matters, which is of their interest. Their concern issues, in that the question we ask, and accordingly they have to vote for yes or no. The next is the preference. Here those are going to purchase the preference shares, they want the steady fixed income. The preference is given by the investors to this preference share only those shareholders, those investors who want a steady fixed income as well as security of capital. See, they don't want their capital to become zero. They want their capital must remain safe and must remain in the hand of the company and return to us back on the date of maturity. So the safety and security, those who are looking for, the fixed income, those who are looking for, they prefer and give preference to such type of investment. Next is the market price. The volatility and increase and decrease in the value of market price every second you will find in case of equity share. You have seen that in the business channel they always show the market prices keep on changing, then how the prices are changing according to the various factors. Such change you don't find in case of preference share. Usually the market price remain steady. Why steady? Interest you are the dividend you are going to get at a fixed percent. the stability is also there, security is also there. So whosoever want a safety and safe investment, they only invest in this, and invested once it remain constant. So buying and selling and trading of a preference share not going to take place as much as of equity. So market price remain steady. Proportion of risk. Here they have the less risk. Why? Because they have the priority of the repayment of capital. They are secured. They feel secured, and because of that they are not feeling any risk. Risk factor is not that much involved in preference share. Next, the repayment of capital. After the debenture, see, the first priority will be to the debenture. They will be paid first. After that, preference share will be paid and equity will given the last. So after the debenture, but before the equity. So first is debenture, second is preference share, and third will come as a of an equity. So consider not that safe as debenture, but not as risky as equity. So they are in between. They try to keep a balance and they want to play a safe game. So this manner you can identify the preference share and the investor, those who are looking for secured income as well as safety of their capital, they prefer to invest in preference share. The next is that is the types of preference share. The types can be classified into two categories. The one, the redeemable preference share before 20 years, and the second, the redeemable preference shares after 20 years. So what the redeemable? Redeemable means to redeem, to pay back. The preference shares which are to be paid back before 20 years, that is one category. And the preference shares which are to be redeemed, pay back after 20 years. Means you can say it is a very long term preference share, and these are up to 20 years preference share. This is the two classification types are mentioned. Now the next is the difference. How the preference shares are differ from equity share. So first is the equity share, second is the preference share. The first, equity share. Equity share are compulsory to issue. You cannot get certificate of commencement without issue of equity share. It is the basic requirement, the minimum subscription to be received by the company, and without equity share you cannot exist. So compulsory to issue. Preference share, there is no need. If you want, then only go for it. Otherwise, your existence have no concern with the issue of preference share. Next is that is no fixed rate. Equity shareholder, if profit is there, they get dividend. If profit is not there, they don't get dividend. Dividend may be more, dividend may be less. Here the fixed rate of dividend. At time of issue only the rate of dividend what will be given is clearly mentioned. Either 8%, maybe 12% or maybe 15%. Whatever rate decided once at time of issue, that rate you are going to get continuously in that preference share. Next is voting right. Equity shareholder have the voting right in annual general meeting to elect the board of directors and to raise the voice in the management issues which are concerned to the general company's benefit or a company's matter. Here the voting right preference share have limited only related to their concern matter. Their matters are to be taken care of, and only for that they can speak or say something or give their suggestions and contribution, otherwise not. Equity share are most risky. Maximum risk is associated with equity share as compared to preference share or debenture. And here the risk factor is low, less risky, because you have the repayment also fixed and you have the fixed income. So hardly a question of risk is there. Here the right shares or a bonus shares you can issue and you can raise more finance in case of equity share. You can give the appreciation to your investors by giving them right shares, and you may be giving the bonus shares to them. Here in case of preference share, no such additional capital can be raised either by a right share or by a, you can say, bonus shares. Next is, that is more change in the market price of the equity share. You will find volatility in the market price, sudden change, sudden rise, sudden fall. You must have observed the Harshad Mehta serial going on nowadays, most popular. That serial reflect what the market and how the people are play with the market price and the gain. So that is what all happened possible in case of equity share. And here the less change in the market price. Market price are going to be the stable. We have understood that it remains steady. Normally fluctuations chances are not there. In this manner, the one of the most another important source of ownership capital for the company, that is what all about preference share. Thank you.